Hey guys, I'm Rae.
And I'm Jason.
And this is a Fireside Chat with Getaway Couple. Today we're going to be going over why we think you should have pet insurance for your fur baby while full-time RVing. Stay tuned. We decided to chat about this topic today because we unfortunately just witnessed a dogfight in our RV park last week. As we were watching the owners pack up their RV to head to the vet, we thought this is a topic that should be addressed more.
Pet insurance is a personal choice based on how well you know your pet and your financial situation. We had personally never had pet insurance until we got Carmen. As a puppy, she was a terror and got into everything. To this day, she still tries to eat anything and everything that she sees just laying on the ground. We crate trained her and got obedience training, but no matter what we do, she will still try to eat anything and everything. So early on, we decided we needed to get pet insurance. It was just a matter of time before she ate something that she shouldn't. And we didn't have to wait that long.
We understand that a lot of people think pet insurance is just gambling that your pet is going to get sick. We've also heard the argument of, well, what if I pay monthly payments for their entire lives and they never get sick? What a waste of money. In all honesty, if your pet lives their entire lives without needing an emergency vet visit and then died peacefully in its sleep, then kudos to you for being the best pet parents that we've ever heard of. Sadly, most pets' lives do not go that way, and you will end up in the vet at one point or another, which is why we're big advocates for pet insurance. We're even bigger advocates for pet insurance for full-time RVers because you're kind of increasing your pet's chance of getting injured or sick because you're exposing them to different elements, different diseases, as well as different dogs who, just like we saw last week, one dog was just attacked by another on their daily walk. The bright side of pet insurance is, let's say your animal does get sick or injured and now you have a $5,000 vet bill. If you didn't have pet insurance, would you have that money available? Would you want to dip into your savings? Would you want to put that on a credit card? For us, the answer was no, so pet insurance was the easy solution for us, and it could be for you as well, depending on your situation.
Don't get us wrong, we would absolutely spend the $5,000 on Carmen, we just wouldn't like it. So thank goodness we have pet insurance because we've already had a $2,000 vet bill that only cost us $400. A lot easier to stomach. After a lot of research, we chose Healthy Paws because it seemed to have the best coverage with the least amount of restrictions and gave us everything that we wanted in a plan. The great thing is they are also customizable, so you can change your plans around just like car insurance for cheaper monthly payments and higher deductibles. We chose a plan for $35 a month that gives us 80% coverage with no annual limits, lifetime limits, or incident limits, because we never know what Carmen's gonna get into. We also like that the Healthy Paws plan also covered new illnesses, new injuries, accidents, any hereditary and congenital conditions.
Our plan does have a $250 annual deductible, and it doesn't cover flea, heartworm, or tick medication, and it doesn't cover grooming, oral hygiene, and training. But we don't think that's a big deal. Based on Carmen's hyperness and her eating habits as a puppy, we opted for one of the best plans out there. If you do decide to research pet insurance for your pet, we definitely recommend checking out Healthy Paws first. We will have all of their information linked in the description down below. No matter what plan or company you go with, we do want to make sure to advise you to read the fine print, because not all insurance companies will cover pre-existing conditions or breed-specific conditions like hip dysplasia in Great Danes. Another big item that we want to make sure that you're aware of is the payment options, just in case you do have to file a claim. Depending on the company, they will either pay the vet directly, which is fantastic, or a lot of companies will actually have you pay the vet bill and then submit your receipt and they will reimburse you. So make sure sure whatever plan you go with, that you're comfortable with the payment plans for filing a claim that they have available.
We believe that a good pet insurance plan is the right choice for you and your pet while RVing or just throughout their life. If you don't opt for pet insurance, we recommend at the very least you set aside money every month for a pet savings account. That way you won't be stuck with an unexpected bill if you do have any issues with your pet.
All right, well, that's all we have for you on this topic. We just felt like it was something that needed to be talked about in the RV community, so let us know down below if you have pet insurance, if you found it useful, or if you're one of those miracle pet owners who has zero issues at all. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join our getaway gang. We would absolutely love to have you. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys. While watching the owners pack up their RV and head to the vet, we realized
and got into everything. And she tries to eat everything she finds laying in the road.
Oh, you're starting to film.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Ugh.
It does. Okay.
What's going on?